Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com. Check it out, 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 Cobra. It's a tribute, wide body, A-code car with an automatic trans. It's got a 289 4V. Car is been rebuilt, engine's been redone. Paint is a base clear coat, red with the shadow black stripes. It's got new exterior components that have been installed. It's got the fiberglass hood. It's got the body, including the hood scoops, side scoops, fender flares, front ear dam, and rear valance. It's got all the emblems and everything it should look like, just like it came off a GT350 Cobra. We're gonna go through it. Hang in there with me, and let's take a look. It's got a great Mustang iconic stance. Paint is in very good shape, lays well. It's driver quality. But it definitely has a great shine to it. Nice wheel and tire package with the Shelby emblems. All right, let's get up a little bit and personal with this thing. Front ear dam and bumpers, color coded, painted in good shape all the way out. Grill, excellent. Car lines up great. The fiberglass hood and the hood scoop. Your front glass and chrome are in good shape. Wipers are working. Glass is good. Roof lines with the stripes in there as well. Sport mirror package, passenger and driver's side. You got the vent windows. All your badging. Front quarters in good shape. Door. Paint lays nice. Shelby hood scoops, side scoops. Driver's glass and passenger glass in good shape and chrome around there as well. Rear fender. Nice. California plate. Nice dual exhaust, straight pipes all the way back. It's got a real nice sound on it. All your badging's there. Shelby GT. Trunk line's up great. Rear glass seems original. It's got a couple little scratches and stuff in it. No cracks. There is one chip in the front windshield. Passenger glass and chrome is good. Mirror good. No paint flaws really on the rear quarter. Seems like your chrome handles are good. Antenna intact. Great caps. "18-inch tires. Iconic sports car. Look at the interior. Door panels in good shape. No rust to be found. Underneath is clean. Rear deck is in good shape. Back seat's in good shape. Headliner, very good condition. Sun visor's intact. Seat belts in front. Center console. Carpets are in good shape. Automatic trans. Dash pad good. All your gauges, lights are working. Let's fire this pony up. Giddy up, pony. Gas gauge is working. Temperature gauge is working. Seems to have the original quarters on there. Still stamped. Trunk is in good shape. Spare tire. $289, 4-barrel, aluminum radiator. Fiberglass hood. So if you need to get some financing, we've got some real good terms and great rates. We're going up to 84 months. If you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go to my website, MGM Classic Cars, go where the car is, and hit apply now. 10% down, and we'll get it called in for you. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. You'll get approved within 24 hours. If you need shipping anywhere in the United States, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. I'll get you some quotes, get this thing delivered, insured, and bonded to your house. We have over 120 vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Go to my website, check them out. There's 100 photos, as well as a video on all our stuff. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Again, to get that appointment, call me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at MGM Classic Cars, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. You'll be seeing me soon. Hope you enjoy. Bye.